Hi friends, today we are going to see the unboxing for Signia Silk IS. This is one of the tiniest instant fit hearing aid offered from the Signia. So let's understand how it looks and what is packed inside the box. So as we open this, the first thing that we see is a warranty card followed by a user safety guide. Below that we have our main unit available, and inside you have the left and right earpiece, which are marked by the color R for red and blue for the left side, so which are placed here. You can see how tiny it is. This is a very small, it can hide inside the ear, so these are also called invisible type hearing aids. On the bottom you can see is a charging tip used for the charging, because this is a rechargeable type, and here is a microphone to receive the sound. Once you place the hearing aid back to the unit, it starts charging. So when it glows, it means it is charging. And you can also charge the hearing aid while traveling. Just place it in full charge. On the back you can see is a charging tip to charge using the Type-C cable. For this you will also need ear tips like this. We already have here. So based on your ear canal shape, you can select M, S or L. For most people M is more suitable, so we are using the M1. Let's show you how to connect this. So you can see this ear tip, and we already have some ear tips, so you have to select this one. The outer should be out, and then just place it, and it is ready to use. And inside the main box you can see here you have a charging cable, you have a clean brush, and you have a wall adapter to charge your hearing aid. So that's all for today. Thank you for joining us.